Hey, this is your coffee. And also the pizza that you ordered.
Hi Susie.
Hi.
So what do you do here as an intern?
Intern? Of course, the coffee run lah. What else? No lah, just kidding lah. So as a potential fresh grad with fresh new ideas, I get to be involved in corporate operations where I am able to voice out my ideas and also opinions as Joe always encourages to. So this gives me the opportunity to strive together with my team and bring RIs to greater heights. Like, what are you doing?
Just tasting the water.
Okay, cool.
That's great. So what's the most memorable experience you have gotten so far?
It was the day when my colleagues threw me a surprise birthday in office. Thanks guys! Well, I thought everyone was called into the meeting room for a meeting. But for me, I am truly grateful to be given the opportunity to be part of the team that value team spirit and also believe that interns are not just here to learn but also to unleash their talents. Alright, that's enough for today. I need to get back to work.